Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for a beauty business. First, select the QuickBooks version that best suits your salon or spa's size and specific needs. Next, establish your chart of accounts to categorize all financial transactions, ensuring clear tracking of income and expenses. Finally, link your bank and credit card accounts directly to QuickBooks for seamless, automatic data imports, saving you valuable time and reducing manual entry errors. Effectively managing your sales is crucial. Accurately record every service provided and product sold, ensuring no revenue is missed. Utilize QuickBooks to generate and send professional invoices to your clients, detailing their services and charges. Furthermore, streamline your payment collection by integrating various payment options, making it easy for customers to pay and for you to track incoming funds, improving your cash flow. Controlling your outgoing funds is just as important as tracking income. Categorize all business expenses, from salon rent and beauty supplies to employee payroll, for clear financial oversight. If you sell products, use QuickBooks to track your inventory, helping you manage stock levels and reorder efficiently. Remember to reconcile your bank statements regularly. This ensures all transactions are accounted for and your financial records are precise. QuickBooks empowers you with valuable insights through its reporting features. Easily generate essential financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, to understand your business's performance. If you have employees, manage payroll efficiently, handling wages, taxes, and deductions accurately. By keeping all your financial records organized within QuickBooks, you'll be well prepared for tax season, simplifying compliance and reducing stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.